आपण देखुछंती कनक संवाद।
नमस्कार। आम सह आज चर्चा करने जड़े विशेष व्यक्ति संस्कृत साहित्य और हिंदू धर्म उपरे गवेषणा करी भारत इतिहास को नहीं बहु पुस्तक रचना करछंती से विशेषकर जगन्नाथ संस्कृति को केंद्र करी से बहु बही लिखिछंती। साउथ एशिया इंस्टीट्यूट ओडिशा रिसर्च प्रोजेक्ट मध्य से जड़े प्रतिष्ठाता। बाणी बिहार उत्कल विश्वविद्यालय रे से जड़े विजिटिंग प्रोफेसर मध्य रही सारछंती। आ ए वर्ष पई तांको मिलछि पद्मश्री पुरस्कार। आम सहित अछंती डॉक्टर हरमन कुलके। नमस्कार सर। So you've just received the Padma Shri award recently, and for your research you obviously deserve it. You've been researching on Jagannath cult and India since long, but how was the feeling of receiving this award?
That was much more than just a great honor for me, and I'm very thankful for this. Somehow it changes a bit my attitude to India. I'm feeling much more at home now. It's being invited by such thing is really great, and look how I was informed. That was really great. I mean, the taxi was already waiting. We were coming to Delhi, Orissa. I didn't know anything about it. Your ambassador from Berlin called me whether I would accept the Padma Shri, and I'm sure if he would have called me 5 minutes later, he would not have got hold of me. So it is, maybe Jagannath helped that I got it. So it is really something, I mean, after coming to India since 61, I was for the first time in India, this is long ago. I regard this really as an honor, and I'm grateful for this because it makes me happy.
When they heard it in Germany that you have received the Padma Shri, how was the feeling there? How was it in Germany?
Very great, because I should mention that 2 of my colleagues got it in recent years also, one Professor von Stiedenkroon in 2004, and one Professor Lutze for Hindi literature primarily. I am happy to be with them, because normally Germany is related with classical Indology, Sanskrit, Vedic studies. I myself did my PhD in Sanskrit, but what we are doing here in Orissa is, so to say, it's not the folk tradition, it's the great regional traditions. The greatness of India is the richness of regional tradition, Rajasthan, Orissa, Tamil Nadu. And I mean, all of us, both Professor Lutze for Hindi, Stiedenkroon, myself for Orissa. I did my PhD also on South India, Chidambara Mahatmya. So I regard this also as a recognition by these nice people who are selecting us, that there's a new Indology also in Germany which takes care of the, let's say, medieval, early modern movements. Stiedenkroon, for instance, he found that there are nearly 200 new temples are in Bhubaneswar since we came for the first time here. And for me, it's an absolute great thing to observe the emergence rise of Tarini. I met Tarini, if I may say so, several times on my way to Keonjhar. She was a Vanadurga. She was in the forest. Now she's in competition with Lord Jagannath, I guess. I mean, so this, what is interesting is the changes also culturally, religiously in India, which, and I mean, I'm happy that, so to say, in a way, this is accepted as another kind of contribution of German Indology, if you may call it.
All of us know that the Jagannath cult and the Hindu mythology and the Hindu culture has specific restrictions for non-Hindus and more so for foreigners. So was that an obstacle during your research?
This was when we applied for the first time in '69 to have this project. It was first not fully rejected, but more or less rejected by the German Research Council. Why to have a project on Jagannath? You are not allowed to enter it. That was quite well known to us. But then we succeeded to convince these referees, scholars of Indology in Germany, to allow us to go there. And this was my friend, Professor G.C. Tripathi from Indira Gandhi Central Institute of the Arts at Delhi. Now, we had a small pilot project, and to find out whether we nevertheless can do the project. I mean, we made it very clearly we will never try even to enter under the disguise of something, because that would disturb it. I mean, we are mlechas or outcasts. There's Patita Pawan, who is still there for us doing Snana Yatra. We saw him, Ratha Yatra. But I must say, I mean, since quite some time I say, why the Jagannath Temple, Lingaraj Temple, which are the greatest museums you have in Orissa, why we are not allowed to enter the courtyard. I am very strictly against that we should try to enter the Garbhagriha Sanctum Sanctorum. But particularly since now the Jagannath is, as it is called, deplastered. Why to go to the museum here? The greatest museum is the Lingaraj Temple, the compound. And they should also get some money from us. We are traveling from Germany to here. Why not pay 100 or 200 entry fee? That's not the problem. But since I do know South India very well, there we can go inside. Srirangam, Tirupati, Chidambaram. In some cases you can enter only not right to the center, and that we very much respect, but why not the outer center? Particularly since Lord Jagannath comes out to the Yavanas, what I am. Yes.